deafening, isn't it? As you probably know by now, excessive noise in your workplace can have serious repercussions. Not only will your hearing be affected, but the strain of listening and talking over the noise can affect your job performance. Loud noises may prevent you from hearing warnings or instructions. Constant noise can also increase your stress levels and affect your morale and efficiency. The protection of your hearing and the reduction of noise in your work environment therefore needs to be a major priority. This video will help you understand more about the nature of sound and how it can affect your hearing. We will look at how to carry out an assessment of noise levels in your workplace and how to introduce noise reduction measures. Choosing suitable ear protection and its correct use, storage and maintenance will also be examined.